The comedy, the mix of Nani Kapag. So, kaya dito, kahit ano ba kapag dito meron dito 17 minutes na laplapan. Kasi siniset namin yung first dito. Ito, yun. Yes, hanggang sa meeting, yung tatayo. Ang tatayo ang meeting. Dahil, binrek natin ang
Are you guys ready to watch Director Daryl Yap and our lead stars Kim Molina and Gerald Napoles. I'd like to talk to Direct Daryl Yap. Direct, how different is this from the work that you've done before with Kim or with Jay?
This is a very different move. Not only for yours truly, but also for Kim J, I guess. Etong dalawa naman, kahit hindi mo utusan, laging may bago. They are very picky with the movies that they do. Maybe because they've experienced a lot of scripts already. So there's a pressure on me, not on the box office, but what to show this couple. Laging ganun. Ano may papagawa ko sa dalawang to? Kasi maarte, may pagkama. So ngayon, ano ko? Yes. Pero I'm very happy. I'm very happy because I get to work with my friends again and finally offer you a script that has been written for 4 years already. Yeah. So, ayan.
Wow, 4 years.
Yeah, hinintay.
Jay?
Yes.
What should people look forward to in the film?
They should look forward to our Opa here. We have a real Opa.
Yes.
Meron po tayong totoong Opa from Korea. So, I mean, we would like to thank him, of course, for being part of this movie. And this cast, of course, Tatak Daryl Yap, ano pa bang expect natin kung na-enjoy nyo yung ang babaeng walang pakiramdam, Jowa Ball, at iba pang pelikula ni Direk Daryl. So, yung trio, Daryl Yap, na-distract ako kay Tanji, Kim Molina, at ako. So, eto. Another one, Level Up. We nag-shoot kami sa Seoul, Korea with the help of Banji, kita Ate Banji. Mapapanood ko siya sa Queen of Tears, tama ba? Nasa Queen of Tears siya kasi sa Korea siya. So siya yung contact namin sa Korea. So thank you Ate Banji for being with us. And so yun, nag-Korea po ang Kim J at Daryl Yap. So yun yung abangan niya.
So I think Kim.
Thank you, Mimi. Ano bang aabangan? Well, nasabi na nila lahat. Pero maliban dun, ay oo. Please po, sa mga manonood ng movie na ito, magstay po kayo hanggang credits. Kasi po, world record na po ang Guinness Book of Records, tama? Legit, 17 minutes. Walang stop na naghalikan po kayo magjowa, so pagtsagaan nyo na.
May bagong membro ng press, Jego Loizaga. Thank you for coming. Ayan, palakpakan natin si Jego. Thank you for supporting. Thank you.
Yes, we're all looking forward to the movie.
Jego.
And now, photo for everyone. Wait,
Okay,
now here mo.
here muna.